Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss some basics for option selling. So let's start with call. So call writing, we are writers, so they act as resistance. That means price action will go down. When put writers at the position in open interest, that means prices will go up. So this is the basic for call writers basically. So first of all we are going to check Nifty. So today is expiry. This is 1 hour time frame, and then you could see it was a very good moving from morning. You could see, so this is week 2 stats. So here is the open, and then same exact place is the close. If open is equal to close, that means it will have a positive decay. But today, especially when you check the price action here, it would be a negative decay. Why? Because it was trending downtrend. So here also SL hunt, here also SL hunt. Okay, so when you check for open is 25 to 50. Okay, is our open ATM. So this is put side support, this is call side resistance. So resistance is pretty strong as price is going down, so it is positive decay here. Okay, positive for OTM anyway, negative because of weak support and strong resistance here. Okay, so expiry special for Nifty. Okay, we'll move on to Bank Nifty. Okay, I'm taking 1 hour chart so that we can understand everything pretty easy. Okay, so here is comparison between week 2 and the new week start. So pretty sideways, as you could see, it is moving inside the channel. Okay, this becomes the support and this becomes the resistance. When you check for open for today, again it's a V-shaped recovery. As you could see, open is 56,600. So pretty simple, 56,600 is the open. Here clearly you could see very weak resistance and strong resistance. Okay, let's draw this. Okay, so here you could see it's an inverted V-shaped recovery. Okay, but open is high is here and close is here low. Okay, open is near to high. When you check for this here, it's a positive for resistance ITM, and OTM it's positive. Weak support, that's why we have negative decay in the ITM and OTM. Okay, now the last one is Midcap Nifty. Finnifty is your homework. So this is clearly a weak support example for Midcap. When you check for open is 225, 13 225. Okay, so this is our open. Since resistance is strong, it's positive decay, and a weak support, so negative in the OTM and ITM. So you could see price is falling down, that means support is weak. Now let's move on to the premium. I'm not sure whether if the trading tick website is still down, so they are trying to upgrade the system, so we'll skip this part. We'll move on to the close range OI in the Nifty Trader website. So first off we are going to check is for Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty, and for October 14 you could see 15 versus 8, so that is today. Okay, expiry has finished, so we have to check for 20th. So 5 versus 2, so resistance is pretty strong for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, it has a monthly expiry 179, 106, so resistance is strong here also. When you check for Midcap Nifty, it's 11 and 13. Midcap though has a sideways outlook. Now we are going to check for trading tick website OIA. Okay, first we'll take for 10. So this gives us our overall OI idea. Okay, so straddle point is 25,000 for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty for October expiry, so this is Bank Nifty basically. Saddle point is 55k. And when you check for Midcap, so this is Midcap for October expiry, and saddle point is 13k. So everything is round number. When you check for ATM, hopefully this should work. It's showing as live, but I don't know if this is what is today's data. I don't think so. So they have not updated. Okay, so that's it, guys.